Hello, little friends! Today, we will learn how to tie up our toys.
Oh my, the playroom is messy. But don't worry, we can fix it.
Hi, I want to help clean.
Beep, beep, cleaning mode activated.
Quack, let's tidy up together.
Great! Let's sort the toys into groups. Each basket has a special color. Let's match toys to the right one.
Red blocks go in the red basket.
Correct! Well done. Soft toys go into the blue basket. Perfect!
Balls go to the yellow basket.
Quack!
Good job! Now it's your turn. Pick up one toy at a time. Sweep, sweep! Cleaning is fun! Thank you, Broom! Step 1, pick up your toys. Step 2, put each toy in the right place. Step 3, make sure the floor is clean.
We love a clean room.
Room tied, mission complete.
Quack! So neat!
Wow! Look how beautiful the room is now! When we take care of our toys, they stay happy and safe. Remember, little friends, always tidy up after playing.
We'll help you. Beep!
Cleaning buddies.
Quack, quack, bye!
See you next time for another magical lesson. The playroom is perfectly neat and calm. Sweet dreams, my tidy friends. All clean and cozy for tomorrow's play. Remember, tidying makes our toys happy and gives everyone sweet dreams. Huh? Bye-bye, little helpers. Hi, little helpers. Wow, it's so clean. Beep, beep. Tidy room mission success.
Quack! I love our clean room.